You have got the expertise. You have delivered results. But somehow, when it comes to high level leadership conversations, your voice doesn't carry the same weight as the executives in the room. If you are wondering why, then here is the answer. Because there is a critical shift AI managers need to make to break into executive leadership. I have seen managers that are stuck in execution. They are talking in technical terms, focusing on the how part. But AI leaders, they speak in terms of business strategy, impact, and outcomes, the precise language that executives listen to. So, if you are wondering why your career growth has stalled, why your ideas are not driving decisions, and what it really takes to step up as an AI leader, then this video is for you. So, let's dive into the mindset shift that separates AI managers from AI executives and how you can start preparing today. Strong leaders communicate with clarity, confidence, and control. Here is a simple formula that I use called as SOAR. SOAR, where S stands for structure, O for own, A for articulate, R for reinforce. Now, let me quickly break it down for you. Starting with S, that is, structure your message. Great leaders never ramble. Before you speak, think, what is the point I want to make? Use this 3-step framework. Number 1, starting with the outcome, such as the key takeaway is. Number 2, give enough context, such as here is why this matters. And number 3, end with the next steps, such as what we need to do next is. Now, let me solidify this framework with the help of an example. Instead of saying, I think we should try this, maybe because this could help improve our performance, try this. Our data shows that this approach could increase efficiency by 20%. If we run a test this week, we will have insights by Friday. I recommend moving forward. Have you seen the difference? All right, great. Let me move to the next part of SOAR framework, that is O, which means own your voice and presence. Leaders don't ask for permission to speak. They own the room. And the very first thing they don't do is using filler words. No such words like, I think, maybe, just so. And the important thing is they lower their pitch gently and form a steady tone that commands attention. And one particular thing that I've seen common across all leaders is the right use of pauses. The silence before key points makes people lean in. Now, let me give you an example for this. Instead of saying, I quickly have an insight to share, say, I have a key insight to share. All right, let's keep rolling and move to next part of our framework, that is A, articulate with impact. Powerful speakers simplify complex ideas. They avoid jargon and use short and punchy statements. And I'll give you a pro tip. Leaders always speak in active voice. What I mean by that? Instead of saying a decision was made, they say we decided. As always, I will share an example on this framework as well. Alright, instead of saying leveraging our cross-functional alignment, we can optimize synergies. You can better put it like this. If teams collaborate, we will move faster and get better results. With this, we have come to the last pillar of our framework, SOAR. We have already covered S, O, A. Now we have come down to R, which means reinforce with data and stories. Leaders back up their points with data and stories. They use numbers such as our engagement rate is up by 40%. And on stories part, a customer told me that this changed their entire workflow. Here is my example of what you can do. Instead of saying our AI model cuts processing time by 30%, which means client get the results in half the time. All right, so we have learned the framework. Now is the time to put it into action. Here is how you respond like an AI leader in real scenarios. Let's take a scenario where someone disagrees with you. The wrong approach is, yeah, I see your point. And how leaders approach this? That's a great perspective. Here is why I believe this approach works. And scenario number 2, when you are put on the spot. I've often seen leaders saying, I'm not sure, I'll have to check. But the true leaders, they say it like this. I want to give you the most accurate answer. Let me verify and get back to you by 3 p.m. today. And the last scenario is when someone interrupts you. The wrong approach would be to stop talking mid-sentence and saying, no, please go ahead. I'll finish it up late. But great leaders, they pause briefly when someone is interrupting and say, I'll get to that in a moment, but let me just complete my thoughts first. Great communication isn't just about speaking. It's about being heard, understood, and respected. So here is what I recommend you. Use the SOAR framework, that is structure, own, articulate, and reinforce. Exuberate confidence that your words matter and engage with data and stories to make an impact. Now, I would love to hear from you in the comments. What is that one challenge that you face when you speak in meetings? Let's grow together. And if this video resonates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.